Building a gaming PC in Pakistan with 70,000 rupees is entirely possible right now. But if you walk into a market with that budget, there is exactly one component choice that will determine if your PC lasts for years or becomes completely obsolete the second you turn it on. Most beginners focus on the graphics card or the processor speed, but the exact component that makes or breaks a 70K build isn't the GPU. It is the motherboard platform. Here's why getting this one choice wrong will ruin your entire investment.
The biggest trap in the 70K budget range is buying into a dead-end platform. Shopkeepers will often push older 3rd or 4th generation Intel i7 processors because the name sounds powerful. But those motherboards offer zero upgrade path. You are buying technology that is over a decade old. The secret to a 70K build is choosing a modern platform, even if you have to buy a slightly lower tier processor today. You want a motherboard like an H610 for Intel 12th generation or an A320 or B450 for AMD Ryzen. This is your foundation. It means when you save more money next year, you can just drop in a faster CPU without throwing away the whole computer.
Once your modern platform is set, we balance the rest of the 70K. Pair an entry-level modern CPU like a Core i3-12100F or a Ryzen 5 3600 with a used graphics card. In this market, a used RX 580 8GB or a GTX 1650 Super offers the best value for 1080p gaming. For memory, 16GB of DDR4 RAM is mandatory. Don't settle for 8. Grab a 256GB NVMe SSD for fast boot times and add a cheap hard drive later if you need mass storage. Finally, never buy a generic, unbranded power supply. Spend a little extra on a basic, reliable unit from a known brand. A cheap power supply can fry your entire 70K investment in a second. Get the platform right, balance the used market carefully, and your 70K build will actually last.